Okay guys, today we are looking at the Canon PowerShot SX260HS. This is a point-and-shoot pocket-sized digital camera that I recently picked up at the thrift store. It was kind of a spendy purchase at, almost $18, but the reason that I was interested in this camera is that 20x optical zoom. That's pretty incredible. So the camera did not come with a battery or charger, but I bought those on eBay, and the camera does actually turn on. But as you can see, the screen is totally ruined. It looks like this thing took a pretty hard fall. Now, I did actually take a picture with the camera, and the pictures come out fine. I transferred them to the computer on an SD card, and they look great. It's just this screen that is no good. So, once again, back to eBay to buy a replacement screen. Now, with the amount that I've spent on the camera, the battery, the charger, and the replacement screen, I could have just bought the same camera working on eBay. But why do it the right way when you could spend twice as much and have a worse product, right? So let's see if I can replace this.
I don't have any experience repairing cameras, although I have fixed a couple of laptops before, so I hope those skills will translate. Make sure to remove the battery and memory card. I'm following the teardown guide for this camera posted on ifixit.com. I'm going to begin by removing 6 exterior screws using a small screwdriver. Next, I remove the wrist strap. Probably should have done that first. Here I'm removing the rear bezel of the camera. Be careful of the ribbon cable connecting the buttons. The connector is very small. I removed it by sliding it up with a screwdriver. Next, I removed the front shell of the camera. We're getting there. Let's take a look at that new screen that I purchased on eBay. The ribbon cable for the screen goes up and over the camera and connects on the front side. There are 2 screws holding the screen bracket in place. Remove them and set them aside. There's another screw on this side. Gently remove the screen from the bracket. We need to remove the top piece of the camera. Remove this screw. I'm having a little trouble here removing the top piece. Not sure why it's not coming off. Let's remove a few more screws to see if that helps. Ah, that did it. Remove the two ribbon connectors as shown here. Gently remove the top piece and set it aside. Carefully remove the old LCD screen from the frame. We need to remove this ribbon cable to access another cable underneath. Be careful not to scratch this one. Beneath that first cable is the larger ribbon cable for the screen. I'm going to remove two more screws in order to rotate the button assembly out of the way. Remove the smaller second ribbon cable to the screen. And with that, we've got the old screen removed from the camera. Slide the new screen into the frame and connect the small ribbon cable on top. This took me a few tries. Connect the larger ribbon cable by routing it up and over the top of the camera. Now we can begin to reassemble everything, starting with the button assembly. Reconnect these ribbon cables on the front of the main board. Reattach the top piece, including the bit that fell out, and reconnect the ribbon cables. From here, it's a matter of reinstalling the rest of the screws. And here's the camera all buttoned up. Let's see if it works.
Whoa.
Wow, the new screen looks great. Once again, you can find the teardown guide that I followed over on ifixit.com and search for SX260. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.